Michael. Michael.
Yeah, Kit, what is it?
Michael, according to my tracking scope, Terry is driving one of the Cali tractors due north.
She's on a run?
Apparently so. She's announcing a 10:33. What's a 10:33?
That's a call for help, fellas. Let's go. Much farther, Kit?
Less than 5 miles, Michael. 4.3 to be exact. Michael, you're not going to do what I think you want.
Take over!
You are going to do what I thought you were going to do.
Michael, how did you...
You don't want to know. You all right, Terry?
I'm okay.
Why didn't you tell me you were going out?
I didn't want you to worry.
Worry, Terry. You take out our best tractor. You jeopardize what's ever left of our business. You go out there in no man's land
All
where you
right, Rick. I didn't tell you because we need the money. I thought I could do it. I failed, okay? I'm sorry. I guess Riggins will cancel the contract now.
Why worry about that? We're in a no-win situation here, Terry. We go out there, we get ourselves killed. We stay in, we're out of business. Don't you understand that? What is the use?
He's right.
No, Terry, he's not right. We're not through yet.
What's there to do? We've been attacked, shot at, and no one has a clue why or who or when it'll ever end.
All right, just hang on, okay? I'm still working on a few things. Are you with me?
One man can make a difference, Michael. Michael Knight, a lone crusader in a dangerous world. The world of the Night Rider.